We always talk about protecting your investment, the largest investment that you have, your home. Well, you might be getting ready to do some landscaping around your house, and you're wondering, do I really need a licensed contractor just to put down some sod? We've got an answer for you. We've brought back in Kurt Franke to talk about the legal side of real estate with the law offices of Kurt A. Franke. And Kurt, it is exceptionally important to have a licensed contractor when we're talking about landscaping, aren't we?
Yeah, I think a lot of people don't think that landscaping is actually governed by the contracting board and by the Nevada statutes, but NRS 624, which also governs your other contractors, governs landscapers.
All right. So if a landscaper comes in, let's say he's not licensed, and he does some faulty work, and let's say it turns on your sprinkler system and floods your house, you don't have any recourse, do you?
Probably not, and you might have some civil recourse, but then again, you have to be able to locate this person, assuming they haven't left town. So what you want to do is get a licensed contractor to begin with, and you can check their licensing qualifications on the Nevada Contractors Board website and make sure that they're licensed. And that gives you some assurance. That gives you some assurance these people have tested and are qualified by testing, that they'll have financial responsibility. In case anything goes wrong, they'll be bonded. And so there may be finances there to recoup. Also, the Nevada Contractors Board will have a right to issue a notice to correct, for instance.
All right. So with that bonding, that's essentially an insurance policy for a contractor.
It's an insurance policy that you can take advantage of if something goes wrong. But there's stages before then. As I said, a notice to correct. The contractor board can tell them to come out and correct things. And then there's disciplinary proceedings and potential fines. That tends to keep people on the up and up as well.
A lot of people think, oh, well, they're just doing a little bit of work here and there. If they go and dig and hit something else, they're just planting a tree and they hit a power line or water line, that can fall into that same category, right?
Exactly, and that also falls into the category of adequate training. To become a licensed contractor, they'll have to take some tests and be familiar with some of the things that they might encounter out in the field.
Very good. If you need some help when you're talking about the legal side of real estate, you got to give Kurt a call and set up an appointment. How do they do that, Kurt?
You can call me at 827-6100 and speak with Linda. She'd be happy to set up an appointment with you, or visit my website, LOCAF, that's LOKAF.com.
It's that simple. It's how you set up an appointment and find out exactly if you're either within the law or you need some help with the law.
That's correct.
Very good. Thanks, Kurt.
Absolutely.
All right. Now we're speaking of licensed, bonded, and insured.